Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the second module of our lesson Adventure in the Andamans, chapter 3 of our English course book. Let's see what are we going to learn by the end of today's class. To read and comprehend the story, to enrich your English vocabulary, and to infer that animals feel just as much as humans do. In the last class, we started a new chapter, Adventure in Andamans. It's about a boy who is spending his vacation on Andaman Island. One day, while he was swimming in the sea, he happened to see a tiny turtle. And the story is about the turtle and the boy called Manav's friendship. Now let's see how is their friendship moving forward. I swam out to a safe depth and then waved to my parents. When I reached my usual area near the big black rocks, Tiny was waiting. My heart missed a beat as he smiled at me and then asked me to follow him. Not with words, of course, but I just knew. And then Tiny took me on a magical journey. We swam through giant coral reefs, glided past slimy eels, and saw thousands of starfish resting on a rock. Here we can see that he swam to a safe depth and he gave a wave to his parents, and he met the tiny turtle whom he met the last day. That tiny turtle was waiting for Manav. When he came near him, he was very happy. He felt excited because Tiny was waiting for him there. And without words, with his movement, he asked Manav to follow him. While they were having that magical journey, he happened to see giant corals was there, eels, a fish, long fish that looked like snake, that was also there. And not only that, he saw thousands of starfish, that the starfish was resting on the rock. But Tiny saved the best until last. Basking in the reflection of the summer sun, I discovered a whole family of turtles. This was Tiny's family. I was dizzy with excitement. After a few moments, I thought it's best to thrust my head out of water and get some fresh air. Then, as I pledged back down to join Tiny, I nearly choked. I saw him twisting and turning in a section of fishing net. A silver hook planted firmly in his back left leg. When Manav and Tiny the turtle was having a magical journey under the water, what happened? Tiny saved the best thing to Manav till last. While they were having a good enjoyment watching the living creatures in the water, he come to meet the family of turtles which belonged to Tiny's family. When he saw that turtle's family, he feel dizzy. That means he fainted. After few moments, he want to push out of the water and get some breath. So while he was getting some fresh air coming above the water, when he jumped back with full energy, he nearly choked. Choked means he was unable to breathe. because he happened to see that Tiny was locked inside a fishing net, and on his back left leg a hook was planted firmly. So Tiny was in danger. Now let's see how will Manav help our Tiny the turtle. Wait, Tiny, I cried. I will help you, but you have to trust me. Tiny stayed perfectly still, but I could see the pain in his eyes. My hands were shaky, but soon I gently pulled the hook free and the net came away easily. Tiny was safe. I gathered up the net as I didn't want any other turtle getting caught. I suddenly realized I had been away from the beach for quite some time. So I waved to the turtle family and rose to the surface. So our Manav is ready to help the Tiny. So he asked Tiny to wait. He says, "You have to trust me. I'm going to help you." He carefully removed that hook from him and he freed our Tiny. And what did he do? After escaping from the net, Tiny family may get caught in the net. So what did our Manav do? He gathered, he collected, he folded that net and he put it away. Otherwise, other family members of our Tiny will caught in that net. Suddenly, he realized that he was very far away from the beach, and he want to see where is his family. So he waved, he say goodbye to the family of the turtles, and he come above the water. But the beach seemed so far and my parents were just tiny little dots. I had never been so shocked or frightened in my life. Tears filled my eyes as I tried to keep moving my hands and feet. They felt as if they were made of iron. So, when he rose to the surface of the water, he happened to see that his parents were so far away and they were just tiny little dots. He became nervous. He was shocked and frightened. What happened? Tears was coming out of his eyes. He tried to keep moving with his hands and feet, but with a shock and frightened, he cannot move it. He felt like they were made of iron. Tiny, I cried. I'm so tired and the beach is so far away. I simply can't swim back. Suddenly, I found a huge turtle beneath me. I gently reached down to hold the edge of her shell and she started to move slowly. I held my breath and we soon started moving through the water easily. I found that Tiny followed us too. It was a ride I would never forget. So, when our Manav was in need of help, he cried, "Tiny, please help." So what happened? At that time, he happened to see a huge turtle near him. He slowly moved to the turtle and he held the edge of the shell of the turtle and she started to move slowly. I held my breath, means he was hopping for the best, and soon it started moving through the water very easily. He followed him. Tiny also followed Manav and the big turtle. So Manav says that ride with that turtle was an unforgettable moment. I spotted my worried parents walking up and down the shore waiting for me. As soon as it was shallow enough for me to stand, Tiny and the big turtle moved away. I stood on shaky legs And as I looked back, Tiny poked his head out of the water and gave me one final smile. That was the last time I saw Tiny, but it was the best day of my life. I told my parents what had happened and even showed them the net, but they just thought I had been playing imaginary games. I still have that net today, but have never told anyone else my story. I knew nobody would ever believe me, except maybe you. So what happened when he reached the shore? When they were moving towards the shore, when they were coming near to the shore, he saw his worried parents. They were walking up and down the shore waiting for him. They were waiting for Manav. As soon as it was shallow, shallow means not too deep. When it was shallow, he can stand there. So the tiny turtle and big turtle moved away from him. He stood on his shaky leg and he looked back. When Tiny was swimming away, he just poked his head and gave a final smile. And Manav is just telling one thing, that was the last time when he met his friend Tiny. And he says that is the best day of his life also. He told his parents what happened, but nobody was ready to believe him. His parents thought that it was an imaginary game, that he was dreaming something. They were not ready to believe what he said. Even he gave them the net also, but they were not ready to believe. And Manav says that nowadays itself, he is holding that net, he is keeping that net, and now he was not ready to share the story with anyone because nobody is going to believe him, and he is asking us whether we are ready to believe him or not. So my dear students, we are stopping the lesson here. We have come to an end of the chapter. Read the lesson once again carefully. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.